Hello guys, welcome back for those that have subscribed, and welcome to those that haven't subscribed yet and are still going to subscribe. So in this video I'm just going to give you guys a quick look into how I achieved this beautiful look of mine. From the beginning, I didn't really know that I was going to record, but towards the end of, as you can see, of doing my hair, I thought, why not share with you guys the process of me achieving this look. So stay tuned, and I hope this video helps someone who is trying to achieve a look like this, especially now that it's winter. It's so protective of your hair, and it's going to help you throughout this winter period. So thank you guys so much, and stay tuned.